In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not uploading. If your files refuse to move, it usually comes down to four things: a shaky internet connection, a full storage quota, a browser or app hiccup, or a simple settings conflict. Let's walk through the exact fixes, from quickest to more specific, so you can get your uploads working again. Start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If pages are loading slowly or dropping out, pause and steady your connection first, then try the upload again. A quick page refresh or restarting the Google Drive app often clears temporary glitches, and attempting the upload a second time after that can do the trick. Weak or unstable connections are one of the most common reasons uploads get stuck or fail. Next, check your Google Drive storage. In Drive, look at the storage bar in the bottom left. If you're out of space, uploads simply won't go through. Clear up room by deleting large files you no longer need, and don't forget to empty the trash. Files in trash still count toward your limit until they're permanently removed. If you're using Chrome and uploads still fail, clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open clear browsing data. Choose all time, select cached files and cookies, then confirm and restart the browser. Corrupted or outdated cache files can block the upload process, and a fresh start often restores normal behavior. Just note, you may need to sign back in to some sites afterward. Extensions can also interfere. In the address bar, go to Chrome//extensions and toggle everything off temporarily. Try your upload again. If it works, you've identified a conflict. You can turn extensions back on one by one later to find the culprit. If you still can't upload, try another browser. Switch from Chrome to Edge or from Edge to Firefox. If the upload works elsewhere, the issue lies with your original browser's setup, so focusing your troubleshooting there makes sense. For Drive for Desktop on Windows, restart Sync. Click the Drive icon in your taskbar, open the gear, choose Pause Syncing, wait a moment, then select Resume Syncing. This refresh nudge often clears stuck or queued uploads. Also check the file itself. If it's extremely large, consider splitting it. If the file name has unusual symbols, rename it with simple characters. Test a different file to confirm whether the problem is file-specific. Finally, confirm Google Drive isn't experiencing an outage by visiting the Google Workspace status dashboard. If there's a reported issue, the best fix is to wait until service is restored. Follow these steps in order, and you should be back to smooth, reliable uploads.